Hello and welcome inside the course. So over the next hour or two, we're going to be going on a bit of a journey together. We're going to be embarking in the learning of holistic pulsing. Now, it's really exciting to be able to share this modality, this teaching with you, because it was actually my first exposure to any healing modality. I was exposed to it when I was about 18 years old when I traveled to New Zealand. I went to like a hippie festival and one of the workshops was on holistic pulsing. And this is where I got introduced to it and I was very impressed with it. It felt amazing. And throughout the years, it just kept coming up for me. And I've been able to incorporate it into my treatments. And it's a pleasure to be able to teach it and share it with you now. So this course, we're going to be covering just the basics of holistic pulsing, enough to get you started, enough to get you understanding the basic framework, the approach in a safe and effective manner. So if all that sounds really good, let's get into it. And I'm really pleased you're joining me on this journey. Thank you.